Find out why it's time for the Shanding 1-ton mini excavator to go. Hey everybody, it's Arl from Arl House, and you must be wondering, what's he talking about? Doesn't he like his machine? Well, let me explain. I know it was a little clickbaity, or whatever you want to call it, but there is a truth to it. So those of you who have been following me may remember that I actually have two of these, okay? This is the one that has been in my garage the entire time. Yeah, so this unit has just under 2 hours time, and there has never even been any dirt in the bucket. So let me explain step one, and then I'm going to explain step two, which I think you guys are going to like. Okay, so step one is to sell this, okay, to hopefully somebody who is a viewer and is interested in the unit. This, I think, is an opportunity for somebody because, one, I'm not marking this up at all. I will put on the screen what I paid for it. And that's what whoever buys this machine will pay, not a penny more than that. It's a great opportunity, I believe, for somebody who would like to get factory direct purchase pricing, but not have to wait for it to arrive. And obviously it's going to be a lot less than if a dealer marked up the unit. So that's part one. Now, the part that I'm really excited about is my plan for once this unit is sold. So I'm keeping my machine that you've seen in all the action shots, and once this goes, I'm putting you guys in charge. So what do I mean by that? Well, this is the idea. The full price of this, or the sale price of this, is going to be the maximum money that we're going to work with. What I want to do is put a couple of potential units that you guys want me to review up for debate or choice or whatever you want to call it. And we are going to then go through the entire process from making the initial inquiry to China, to all the emails, to the pricing, to all the questions. You guys are going to be in a driver's seat with me, just as if you were going to do it, so you can understand the entire process. And then we're going to review the unit that comes in. Now, my criteria before I actually put out there what units I'm thinking about are one, that they're going to be 1-ton units. I think that the majority of you guys, that's what you're looking at. I also plan to do some urban work, right? And these are really good for that. Two, it has to be a model that has either a final drive unit like this, or at least an orbital drive unit. I'm not looking to do anything with the bolt-on hydraulic motors that you'll often see, extending out the back. I'm not knocking those for people who have them, all right? And you can protect them and a variety of things and criteria. And from there, I want it to, obviously it's going to be a manufacturer other than Shanding, and gas or diesel or whatever, we'll see about that. And once this gets sold, we'll move into that part of the series. So hopefully that's exciting for you guys. I know it's kind of exciting for me. You guys are in charge of my wallet. But I think that's a good use of the funds from this, giving a chance to try something else out and see how it does. So if you like my content, please subscribe. I ask you also to hit the like button, plenty of comments. I have a feeling this video may generate plenty of comments, and I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of ideas on, what I should take a look at, but that's cool because that helps me figure out what you guys want, and maybe you're going to tell me about a model or a manufacturer I haven't even thought of, so that would be really cool as well. So that's going to do it for now, and you can contact me directly at my email address, which is above, if you're interested in purchasing the second unit. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.